Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're definitely still buzzing. So millions of people fall asleep each night in front of the television. But a new study has found the practice could contribute to an early death. Now, researchers at the Northwestern University School of Medicine examined the impact of ambient light on the health and sleeping habits of 552 people between the ages of 63 and 84. Now, the study found that those who slept with even the slightest ambient lighting were more likely to suffer from diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. Rough. Yeah, man. See a victim, yeah?
Oh! According to the study, insulin resistance was more likely to occur in the morning after people slept in a room with the dim lighting, such as that emitted by a TV set. Now, insulin resistance occurs when cells in muscles, fat, and the liver don't respond properly to insulin. Now, this is commonly associated with type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease.
Now, the study's lead researcher, Phyllis Z, explained that sleeping with light might be affecting a person's ability to regulate glucose. Meanwhile, the study also uncovered that less than half of all participants slept for more than 5 hours per night in a fully darkened room, as smartphones are also causing distractions during the night.
A 2019 study uncovered that 36% of teens and 26% of adults wake up to check their mobile device at least once during the night, with the survey's director of research describing the disruption of sleep as a legitimate concern. Z said, and I quote, "People should do their best to avoid or minimize the amount of light they are exposed to during sleep." One sleep expert advised people to put down their phones at least 3 hours before bedtime. The blue light emitted on your screen can trick your mind into thinking that it's daytime, despite it being dark outside. Now, my question is, why does this guy Z feels like he can box me across my face like that? Like, how dare him just feel him can do these kind of things?
Yeah, this
First
is something.
of all, my TV's on standby. You know standby mode? So you have the
Oh, the
all
timer.
kind of things that go on across it.
Oh, no.
You know what I mean? All those kind of things that move when it's on standby?
No, I don't. Like notifications and stuff?
No. So what happened? Whatever you set your TV to. So what mine said is Samsung. Samsung. And it's just kind of moving. Samsung.
No, you're joking.
So either the TV is watching me while me I snore.
Why you do that?
It's watching me. And then it starts Samsunging because it goes, you know, sleep mode. And that's me all most of the night.
No way. Like, I can't sleep with no kind of light. Even my phone charger, have a little blue light on it, and I put tape over it. I don't want to see nothing.
Yeah.
I don't like it at all. And of course, my phone sleep face down. Yeah,
And it's not because you have nothing to add.
on my phone, no. On my phone lock off. The sound on my phone lock off from probably about 7:30.
I lie I tell from about 4 o'clock in the day.
There you go.
Can't get Craig.
Well, my phone is usually
Craig.
on silent. For true. But
Craig, I have to text him, and then he's like, "Oh, you texted?" Oh, man.
no man,
Yeah.
cause like I can't deal with it, and I have my TV on a timer, cause I know I'm going to fall asleep with it on, so I just set it for turn off like 10 minutes.
See, that's why. The thing about it is, I'm so weird because I need the TV to put me to bed.
Yeah.
But then once the noise from the TV goes off, I wake up.
Oh no.
Do you get what I'm saying? So then it wakes me up again. And I think this is going to be problematic for a lot of young persons because I think it's a real issue.
You want me to tell you something strange? Only strange sounds wake me up at night. Only strange sounds.
That's all
like
you-
loud sounds, not going to
Yeah.
wake me up unless it's something
Something
out of
pop
the.
up. Yeah.
All right. So with a
Listen.
tough
come
punk
outside
style
the window.
here, that would wake me up.
Yeah.
Punk style here, and a tongue sticking constantly out of the side of his mouth. A dog named Mr. Happy Face has been crowned the world's homeliest.
I don't think it's homeliest. I think it's ugliest. It's
I think
ugliest.
it's ugliest.
Yes, the world's ugliest
pooch.
pooch.
So the 17-year-old Chinese crested defeated 9 competitors in the world's ugliest dog contest. A decades-old event held annually in Petaluma, California.
The champ was adopted as a rescue last year by a 41-year-old Arizonian musician, Janita Benelli. He said, or she said, during the pandemic, I had hoped to either have a baby or adopt a dog.
Yes.
Similar things. So since having a baby would have been an act of God, I opted to adopt a dog. Now, Benelli said as she introduced her dog at the contest. At the shelter, she said she was told about an older dog with health problems, a creature that could be inbred because he was just so ugly.
So the shelter staff tried to prepare me for what I was about to see. I saw a creature who was indeed old, needed a second chance and deserved to be loved. Me don't say she should have put that spin on it, you know.
Yeah.
This is what the proud owner said about Mr. Happyface. So Mr. Happyface had previously lived with a person who hoarded and conditions were
Abominable, like the snowman.
I don't know why I thought
Abdominal. You're like, what did Belly have to do with it?
He was a survivor of abuse and neglect. She said that vets said that with his poor health, the dog might only live a few weeks.
Yeah, so love and kindness and mommy kisses have helped it defy the anticipated short life that we all expected him to have with our family. Benelli added, his hobbies include sleeping, snoring, woofing in his sleep, and making odd sounds when he's happy. Personally, the dog looked kind of cute to me. Even though look cute with the little tongue hanger.
To me? No. Definitely not. You ever watch Gremlins? You know Spike? Him look like Spike. Google that.
I know Spike.
No, not you. Everybody. Google Spike. Gremlins, Spike from Gremlins.
I thought the
Him
Gremlins
look
were
like
cute
Spike.
too. I thought the Gremlins were kind of cute.
No, after them change? No way.
Remember the one that was playing the guitar and
sing? Cute when before him changed, man.
I love it. Oh, that's a good story to finish on. Daytime Live will be right back with a chat discussion. What we are talking about? You have to go join in to find out.
Yep.
Stick and stay. We soon come back.